Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself struggling to resize an object or a frame in Figma without accidentally stretching it out of proportion, you're definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a quick, reliable way to scale frames or objects perfectly proportionally, so your designs always look polished and exactly as you intended. By the end of this video, you'll know a simple shortcut to help you work faster and smarter in Figma. Alright, let's jump right in. First off, make sure you've got your Figma file open and ready to go. If you haven't already, log in and open the project you want to work on. It's helpful to zoom in a little so you can clearly see the frame or object you'll be working with. Next, you want to select the frame you plan to resize. In Figma, frames are like the canvases or artboards in other design apps. They're the foundation for your layouts. To do this, just click right on the name of the frame in the Layers panel on the left sidebar, or directly on the frame itself in the main workspace. You'll know it's selected because you'll see that bold blue outline around it. Now here comes the magic shortcut. Make sure your frame is still selected, and then press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus C on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, that's probably Command plus Option plus Shift plus C. What this does is it activates Figma's Scale tool. You might not see a dramatic change right away, but this step is crucial. Without it, dragging the sides of your frame could just change the width or height independently, skewing your design. With the Scale tool activated, hover over one of the corners of your frame. You'll see your cursor change slightly, letting you know you're in the right spot. Now click and drag outwards or inwards from that corner. Notice how as you move, the entire frame and anything inside it scales up or down perfectly, keeping all your proportions intact. This is super useful when you have complex layouts, or maybe elements like text, icons, and images distributed inside your frame. With this shortcut, everything stays looking balanced and professional, no matter what size you pick. This part might take a few moments to get the hang of, especially if you're used to resizing things the usual way. Don't worry if your first drag doesn't look quite right, just undo and try again. You'll find that once you start using the Scale tool, you'll save a ton of time and avoid those oops moments where objects get squished or stretched out awkwardly. It's almost like grabbing the corner of a picture frame and making it bigger or smaller without warping the picture inside, easy and intuitive once you know how. And that's all there is to it. A simple shortcut, but a huge improvement to your workflow in Figma. Scaling frames proportionally helps keep your visual hierarchy and design elements harmonious as your project grows or changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. Got questions or a technique you want to see next? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more Figma tips and design tutorials, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.